In this video, I'm going to show you how to track wallets on Axiom Pro Trade. So first off, you will need an Axiom account, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees on Axiom forever. So make sure you check that out and sign up using my link. Now, once you are inside Axiom, what you have to do to track wallets, you have two different ways of doing it. You can either go down here where it says wallet tracker and you can add it right away, or you can go to this trackers tab over here where you can also see the wallet manager and you can then see different wallets and then track them. So I'm going to show you really quickly how to do this. Now, the first thing you can do over here is you just have to find a wallet address or a wallet you would like to track. Now, of course, you want to find a wallet that's actually good and that you would actually like to track, but for this instance, I'm just going to show you with a completely random wallet. Make sure you do your research before actually tracking a wallet. Now, I'm just gonna go into gain over here, which is a coin, and then I'm gonna go inside holders down here, because this is one of the ways to kind of get some wallets. And I'm gonna go, for example, into this wallet. So I'm gonna just click on that and I'm gonna copy the wallet over here. Again, this is just an example. I'm not saying you should essentially copy and track this wallet. This is just to show you how to do it. From here, you then wanna go to wallet tracker down below, and then you can add wallet over here by clicking add wallet. You then have to give it the address, which I just copied, and I'm gonna paste it in here. You can give it an emoji. So let's say I'm gonna give it, I don't know, this one, and wallet name is gonna be, let's say, gain wallet. There we go. You can then click add wallet. And as you can see, your wallet has been added over here. You can then set your alerts, you can delete it, or you can scan address over here, and you can also see live trades in case they are going on. It also shows you when it was created. You can copy it, you can rename it, you can essentially change whatever you would like, the emoji or whatever. And as I said, when you close this down, when you go over here into trackers, you can then see your tracked wallets under wallet manager. So that's pretty much it. That's how to track wallets. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.